अभी recently Disney Plus Hotstar ने announce किया that 7 new films will be released directly online. Kunal Khemu and Vidyut Jamwal called out Disney Plus Hotstar for not inviting them for the announcements, which included their films as well. Even Sanjana Sanghi, the lead of Sushant's last film Dil Bechara, was not a part of this announcement. This is a small example of how the industry has always treated outsiders. Actors like KK Menon, Randeep Hooda, Deepak Dobriyal, Vijay Ras are the prime examples of outsiders who, even after giving so many memorable performances, were always underrated. It's now that they are getting their due recognition. But there are still a lot of capable actors who, even after giving some of the most brilliant performances that deserved the audience's attention and love, were sadly missed under the radar. And the blame solely lies on us. This is nothing but our hypocrisy that we, as a country that has the second largest film industry, has never supported good and genuinely talented people. While a garbage fest like Baghi 3 or a Student of the Year rakes in crores of collection, films like Son Chidiya, Ship of Theseus and Tumbad अपने production के पैसे भी नहीं निकाल पाती. So before blaming people for creating a toxic ecosystem that Bollywood is, let's look at some of the most path-breaking performances by actors with no connections in Bollywood that we failed to notice. Neeraj Kabi. This brilliant actor, who is known for his memorable characters like Parulkar in Sacred Games and Sanjeev Mehra in Patal Lok, gave a path-breaking performance in Ship of Theseus, one of the earlier films in his career. The concept of Ship of Theseus was so unique. This film was a class apart. Directed by Anand Gandhi and produced by Soham Shah, these are the guys who are also behind one of the finest Hindi films in the last few years, Tumbad. While the year 2012 saw films like Ek Tha Tiger, Dabangg 2 and Houseful 2 raking in crores, who is to blame when a landmark Indian film like Ship of Theseus and the rightful actor like Neeraj Kabi goes unnoticed? The answer is we the people. This wasn't it. Neeraj Kabi's next performance as a villain in Byomkesh Bakshi is all kinds of spectacular. Probably one of my most favorite villains in Hindi films. But we all know the fate of that film at the box office. Rasika Duggal. One actor I am personally a fan of is Rasika Duggal. Her recent short film Banana Bread is literally one of the best things that came out of lockdown. Before being Beena Tripathi in Mirzapur, she was Safia in Nandita Das Manto. Manto जैसी फिल्म सालों में एक बार बनती है. And when it released in 2018, it had very limited shows. कई सारे शहरों में तो फिल्म रिलीज भी नहीं हो पाई थी. While we all loved Nawazuddin's portrayal of Saadat Hasan Manto, it was Safia's character that never really got its due. The restrained yet strongest support of playwright Manto is beautifully brought to life by her effortless performance. In 2019, she played Ishrat in an extremely underrated film Hamid, which I strongly recommend you to watch if you haven't. It's films like these that define Bollywood and its actors like Rasika Duggal who are pushing forward the Indian cinema with their performance. Avinash Tiwari in Laila Majnu. If there's one performance that was criminally underappreciated in the last few years, then it's Avinash Tiwari's performance as Cass in the 2018 film Laila Majnu. According to me, it was one of the best performances of the year. Avinash as the typical lover boy in the first half and the crazy Majnu in the second half was a revelation. Of course, the film was not successful at the box office because we never care to support the right talent when it actually matters. The duo Avinash Tiwari and Tripti Dimri are now getting praise for their spectacular performances in the new Netflix film Bulbul. Tripti Dimri, another outsider whose hauntingly powerful performance as Bulbul proves that no one can stop the real talent. Ranveer Shori. Before you guys start commenting, the actor in no sense is underrated. Neither is he a complete outsider. His father was a film producer. But how many of you knew that? And that's what makes him self-made. We all know what a capable actor he is, but even after giving stellar performances in the past, his 2019 film Son Chidiya was a flop at the box office. In one of the interviews, he mentioned that everyone told him how his performance was amazing in Son Chidiya and it was a great film. But those people were very less in numbers, and that's why the film didn't work. His character Vakil Singh in Son Chidiya was a revelation. Probably his best performance till now, and that's why it becomes even more difficult to wrap my head around the fact that why such good and real cinema never work in a country like India. In 2019, we chose these films over these films. Manav Kaul. I am a bigger fan of the writer Manav Kaul than the actor. That in no way means that he is anything less than a brilliant actor. उनकी लिखी हुई books के ऊपर तो I can just go on talking, but this extremely capable actor has proved why he is the best in the game with films like Kai Poche, Wazir and Tumhari Sullu. His portrayal of a middle-class family man Ashok was such a fresh and real portrayal of Indian men. Devoid of any toxic masculinity and the usual tropes of machismo, Manav Kaul's Ashok should honestly be an example to every other high on 100 crore film star considering themselves serious actors. Amrita Subhash in Choked. Anurag Kashyap's latest film Choked had very mixed reactions. I genuinely liked the treatment and the use of music in the film, but what elevates the film is its brilliant performances, especially Amrita Subhash's character of Tai, probably one of my favorite characters from recent years. Tai's character is one of those well-acted and scene-stealing performances which deserves a spin-off of its own. Not making any comparisons here, but her sheer brilliance whenever she came on screen reminded me of Olivia Colman's crazy genius performance in Fleabag, also which I think deserves a show of her own. If not for the subject matter, just watch this film for her performance. It's high time we start giving the due credit to the best crop of actors this country has right now. Girish Kulkarni in Ugly. If you want to know the brilliance of this actor, do yourself a favor and just watch this one scene from Anurag Kashyap's Ugly. Bollywood को ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता किसी भी एक्टर को टाइपकास्ट करने में. And I honestly feel that's why these actors are never offered the roles they actually deserve. Ugly के बाद we saw Girish Kulkarni as a despicable cop in Kabil and a forced villainous coach in Dangal. But do these films utilize his potential as an actor? No. To watch him perform what he does best, I'd suggest you watch this Marathi film Postcard. Sometimes I feel Bollywood doesn't really deserve good actors. Well, a lot of it also depends on how the character is actually written and if the director has the capability of bringing out sheer brilliance that a lot of actors possess. Anurag Kashyap is known to allow his actors to experiment with their characters and bring out their own version. Filmmaking is all about a collaborative effort between director, writer, actors, DOP and editor. And when that equilibrium is achieved, we get films like Gangs of Wasseypur and Ugly. Too much has been said in the last couple of weeks about the ecosystem that Bollywood is. At this point, it genuinely feels like everyone has their own agenda and by keeping one more unwanted opinion, they are just trying to harp on the views and attention. सब लोगों के पास अपनी अपनी लिस्ट है लोगों को ब्लेम करने के लिए. While I think that might be one way to vent out, I also feel in today's environment, one less opinion won't make any difference. That being said, इतना blame game चल ही रहा है तो it's also very much important to hold ourselves accountable as to why the most successful films in this country are not cinema at all. It's a well-packaged, well-designed and curated set of slideshow जो हमें सालों से परोसा जा रहा है. और इन फैक्ट्री मैन्युफैक्चर्ड फिल्म्स में जो सेलिब्रिटीज हैं उन्हें हमने दे दिया है स्टार स्टेटस, which honestly makes us the enabler of this toxic ecosystem that Bollywood is. Sadly, cinema was never meant to be that. Until the time we don't put our money where our mouth is, we are not going to see a change anytime soon. Till then, all we can do is next time give the deserved recognition to actors like these. Maybe then, films like Tumbad and Son Chidiya will boast of being a part of a 100 crore club. But right now, that sounds like a parallel world to me. There are so many more performances that I can add to the list, so let me know your favorite performances that you think were missed by us in the comments below. And please share this video so that it reaches the maximum number of people.